The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max made their debut at Apple's annual fall event on Tuesday. From the moment I picked them up in a hands-on area inside the Steve Jobs Theater, I could tell there was some significant refinements compared with previous Pro models. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are made with titanium instead of the stainless steel found on last year's iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, and as a result are noticeably lighter. In recent years, Apple used its Pro phones to push the envelope with tech advances while keeping the standard models with the previous year's tech, likely to reduce costs and incentivize upgrading to the pricier premium models. That's proved true with the standard iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, which get last year's 14 Pro perks. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max carry on this tradition, and since rumors of an iPhone 15 Ultra were unfounded, these are Apple's most advanced phones yet. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max have slightly rounded edges, which feels better in hand. Mind you, I had about 30 minutes to try them out in a very crowded demo room, but the lighter weight and less bulky feel left a positive impression. The new Pros have thinner bezels for slightly more glass on the front screen, which are still 6.1 inches for the iPhone 15 Pro and 6.7 inches for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. As for colors, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max come in 4 metallic hues: traditional black and white titanium, as well as a blue titanium and a natural titanium with a gray tone. The iPhone 15 Pro starts at $1,000 while the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at $1,199, while the Pro Max is pricier than last year's $1,099 starting price for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The new iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at 256 GB, double as its predecessor's internal storage. Pre-orders for the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max start on Friday, and the phones will go on sale in Apple stores and online next Friday, September 22. There was a rumor that the iPhone 15 Pro Max was going to be called the iPhone 15 Ultra, but the new device feels pretty ultra to me so far. You get a surprisingly light and sturdy titanium design, a handy action button, and powerful A17 bionic chip. My favorite upgrade though is the new 5x telephoto zoom lens. At the same time, $1,199 is a lot of money to spend on a new iPhone, and while the action button is clever, I'd like to see Apple add more options so you can use it for more than one action at any given time. The charging is not any faster either, despite the arrival of USB-C. Overall, though, the iPhone 15 Pro Max could be the phone to beat. Stay tuned for our full iPhone 15 Pro Max review and in-depth testing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.